So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to verify recovery email on Gmail. So let's get started, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your Gmail, and you should have to tap on your profile picture, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on manage your Google account, which is available on the upper bottom of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on security and sign in. Then scroll down below. Then you can see the option of verify ... Now tap on it and wait for a second. Now you should have to verify that it's you by using your mobile lock, biometric or face lock, like this. Now tap on verify recovery email, which is available on the bottom of your screen. Now tap your verification code, which is sent in your recovery email. It will take some time. Now see, this is the code. So now tap on verify. Now see, your recovery email has been successfully verified on this Gmail. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.